With limited educational facilities at Bangladesh camps for Rohingya refugees, young people here welcome special job training like tailoring and computing. New multi-purpose centers like this are limited subject-wise, but young Rohingya refugees say they provide better options than many had back home in Myanmar, also known as Burma.
In Burma, we can't do anything. Nobody teaches us. But now that we are in Bangladesh, there are people who are teaching us many things. People donate sewing machines so we can make our own clothes. Now we are learning a lot and can make a career out of this job and won't get in trouble trying to make a living.
Most of the skills being taught can help young women in their daily lives and be used to find a job and earn a wage. These students are working with rechargeable batteries and solar lights.
It's good to have the electricity so we don't need to eat in dark. It's very convenient for us. We don't need to travel far to buy gas for the lantern. When we go to the toilet at night, we can carry the light because it's dangerous to go to the toilet without lights. Now that we have power, it's safer for us.
Besides working skills, the teenagers are given a comfortable environment to discuss cultural challenges that they don't always talk about at home.
The thing that is really important for me is to not get married at a young age because being under 18. We have no idea about life or even have knowledge to work and make a living. Many girls get married before they are 18. They must work hard and get old quickly.
With no signs of imminent repatriation for more than 500,000 young refugees, most families are hoping that a proper school curriculum for the teenage children will be implemented to prevent what many analysts predict could be a lost generation. Steve Sanford for VOA News in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh.